If you don't like how fluffy or airy your sound is on the flute when you play, this video is for you. You're going to learn 3 pro tips that will instantly give you a stronger and clearer sound, like this. My name is Jane and I teach adult flute players just like you how to get much faster progress through learning proper flute technique. Here's pro tip number 1. Above everything else, the number 1 reason why you will be getting a fluffy sound on the flute is that the hole in your embouchure is too big. Here's a demonstration. See if you can hear the difference. So this is how I normally play. And here's what it sounds like with a hole in my mouth that is too big. Can you hear that? So to fix this, go to a mirror and see if you can close your mouth ever so slightly when you're playing and listen to see if you can hear the difference. If you can hear that the sound is slightly clearer, even slightly, you're on the right track. Just so you know, you fix a fluffy sound on the flute incrementally, not all in one day, because your fine muscles in your embouchure need time to adapt. So if you can close your mouth even slightly and get a slightly better sound, good, you're probably doing the right thing. To be sure though, I would recommend that you do the free mini course that I recorded for you called How to Instantly Get a Stronger Tone on the Flute, because it takes you through the step-by-step of how to properly clear up your tone and learn how to get a clear, strong sound like this. Here is pro tip number 2. If your flute sound is fluffy because you have too big an embouchure hole, work out why that embouchure hole is too big, because then you can fix it. Generally, there are 3 styles of having too big a hole in your mouth, which, as you know, makes your sound super fluffy. See which one of these could be you. You'll need to look in a mirror to be able to work this out. Firstly, here's how I normally sound. And here's what it sounds like if your embouchure is specifically too round. You'll be losing lots of air out of such a big hole and your sound will be super airy. If this is you, work on relaxing your mouth and instead of thinking ooh, think more Here's what it will sound like if your embouchure hole is too wide and a bit smiley. So you can probably see what I'm doing there. Have a look in the mirror and see if your hole in your mouth is long and wide and if you're smiling a bit. If so, you're also losing lots of air out the sides of your embouchure and your sound will be airy and probably a bit thin sounding like mine was just then. If this is you, instead of thinking of E when you blow, think more a bit more relaxed. Lastly, you can actually have an embouchure that is a really good shape. So not too round, not too smiley, but a good embouchure shape, but the hole is just too big like this. And a lot of people actually do fall into this category. If this is you, all you need to do is close your mouth a little. Try not to squeeze it closed, just think close up a bit. And this will keep you relaxed, which is good. Okay, here's pro tip number 3. If you have a fluffy flute sound and when you look in the mirror, it looks like you're smiling, it means you're too tight. You have too tight an embouchure. You might have a small enough embouchure hole, but your sound will be fluffy and thin sounding. So to demonstrate, here's how I normally sound. And here's how you will sound if your mouth is too tight and too smiley. If you smile, it means you're squeezing your mouth too much and you'll be way too tight to be able to get a nice clear sound. If this is you, the first thing to do is throw out the idea from your head that smiling is a good flute embouchure. It's not. Try to relax the corners of your mouth just a little bit, and you'll probably find that you get a bit more depth to your sound. So going from to... So just do this a little bit, because remember that improving your sound is a step-by-step incremental process. This is the kind of proper technique that my adult students in the Flute Academy learn to incorporate into their playing, one little tweak at a time, step by step. And it actually transforms their flute playing in not too long at all, in weeks. So when you just ever so slightly relax the corners of your mouth to be less smiley and less tight, this is the very first step to you getting an incredibly clear and strong tone. As you know, a great tone comes from having a great embouchure. And after watching this video, if you don't think you have a great embouchure yet, it's totally something that you can adjust if you learn the right way to do it. Which is why I've put together a free mini course for you on how to instantly get a stronger sound on the flute. So join me for free at www.flute.school. You'll learn how to adjust not only your embouchure, like I started showing you just today, but the positioning of the lip plate on your mouth, which makes a surprisingly big difference to your sound. Most adult flute players missed out on learning how to form a good embouchure when they were younger or when they originally learnt the flute. So sign up for free at www.flute.school and you'll get 3 short lessons showing you step by step how to instantly get a clearer and stronger tone. I love teaching flutists like you in the Flute Academy. Every week I get emails from Academy students that say something like, I've been playing for 35 years and no one has been able to improve my tone until now. It's such an honor to be able to do this for the students in the Academy. So I want you to always remember, even if this is the only thing you take out of this video, learning proper technique is what gets you significantly faster progress.